Did you hear that crackle? Yeah, that's the reason you should make it. So, this is a banana flower, and if you have not cooked with it before, it's quite easy. So, take the banana flower, remove the petal, there you have these little buds inside. Clean each bud by removing the stem and a little skin on the bottom, one by one, almost meditative. Then, wash them thoroughly, and there you have the banana buds ready. Now comes the main part. Take a bowl, take these washed up banana buds, add the basin, add rice flour, and then comes the spices. Turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Add a little bit of water and mix it with your hands. Mix it until it feels right. Then directly into the hot oil. Pour it in batches and fry them until crisp and golden. There you have the best banana flour pakoras ever.